Welcome to our laundry room organization showdown. Today we are comparing two popular washer-dryer countertops, the premium Kaboon and the budget-friendly Piskyet. Both countertops are designed to enhance your laundry experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out for your needs. The Kaboon countertop comes with a price tag of $199, reflecting its premium materials and features. In contrast, the Piskyet countertop is priced at just $99.99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. While the Kaboon offers superior durability, the Piskyet provides great value for those looking to upgrade their laundry space without breaking the bank. When it comes to material quality, the Kaboon countertop is crafted from high-pressure decorative laminate and P2 grade CARB board, ensuring durability and resistance to heat and moisture. On the other hand, the Piskyet countertop is made from MDF, which, while stylish, may not offer the same level of durability. This difference in material could impact long-term performance and maintenance. The Kaboon countertop boasts a weight capacity of up to 200 pounds and comes with a 2-year warranty, indicating strong structural integrity. In contrast, the Piskyet does not specify a weight limit or warranty, which may raise concerns for potential buyers about its long-term durability. This aspect is crucial for those who plan to place heavy appliances on top. In conclusion, both the Kaboon and Piskyet countertops offer unique advantages for your laundry room. The Kaboon is ideal for those seeking durability and premium features, while the Piskyet is perfect for budget-conscious shoppers looking for style and functionality. Whichever you choose, both will enhance your laundry experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.